Hi guys, it's David, August University here, and I want to tell you guys about Lux Algo software, kind of how it works, how I'm going to be utilizing it even more so with some trading. Now, I'm not going to recommend you guys do anything crazy like leverage trading or going all in and doing that kind of thing. I like to believe in dollar cost averaging in an asset that you believe in, a long-term asset that you would like to hold. And it's not going to go anywhere anytime soon. So stocks like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, things like that, long-term stuff, right? Tesla and cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. So we're going to just get into how it works with TradingView, what my thoughts are on it, how much the cost is, and if it's worth it to you possibly, as it was worth it for me. So let's get to it. All right, guys. So today I'm just gonna show you guys, kind of test out for you guys how to utilize Lux Algo, if I think it's worthwhile, if I think it's a good promo right now, etc. So I've been using Lux Algo actually for a while, about a year now, a little over a year now, and I like it for dollar cost averaging into my favorite stocks, my portfolio, um, cryptocurrency as well. So it's overall, as long as you're trading anything and building more in your portfolio for assets, it's gonna be worth definitely trying at least. How it really works is it works with something called TradingView. So if you get a TradingView account, it's free, tradingview.com. I'll have all the links down in the description area as well. But if you get a TradingView account, you can input these stock tickers or crypto assets and basically follow their charts in real time. So you can see the minute chart, the hourly chart, the 15-minute chart. And if you're not currently a trader, this is something to know. If you're already trading, this is obvious basic stuff. So you can use this for any asset that's on TradingView. So most charts are available. You can see a couple things that have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Apple. But right now we're gonna kind of focus on the basics. So Apple stock, this is the daily chart. So how Lux Algo really works is the input this algorithm, as you can see, Algo Premium here. And once it's in there, you can adjust some settings to make it more sensitive or not as sensitive to work with your style of trading. Now you can also see some things here, which is like, how bullish we are as well. How much of the institutional activity is involved. So stocks don't move at nighttime. Right now, it's currently in the evening. I'll be showing you guys more videos during the day as I start doing some more day trading, okay? So I will keep you guys updated on that. But it does work on the 24-hour charts. If you're doing Forex, that's currency, right? Different fiat currencies and trading pairs. Or you can use it for stocks, obviously. You can use it for crypto, right? So crypto is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So you trade cryptos all day. I would focus in on the main cryptos. There are some higher risk cryptos out there. I like to focus on the kind of the standard, Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe BNB, etc. Am I in some higher risk cryptos? Yes, but I'll talk about trading here. So I'm also a big fan of Hex. But for trading, this is the daily chart. So you can actually obviously see the buy signal happened around the $129 mark. And if we would have rode this wave since June 27th, or sorry, 17th, you would have been in profit by quite a bit up to August 17th when it was starting to go bearish again. Okay. So if you would have took your profits there, you would have made about a $40 gain. Yeah, $40 gain on each one of your stocks. So that's a pretty good profit, right? That's a pretty good profit, especially depending on how many stocks you have. Now you can do this on a daily as well. Instead of just trading long term like this, you can trade, let's say, for on the hourly chart. Okay, so let's say you're looking at this on a daily view here, right? This is the hourly chart. So depending on the day or week, you know, it was bullish there and then bearish. So you could have got in at, I make this chart bigger so it's easier to see. Could have got in around 172, you know, sell at 174. That's about, not a lot, $2 per share. Or bought back in at 167. Okay, and then kind of ride that wave upwards as well. You can also look at like the 15-minute chart as well. So, you know, through the day, you can literally look at it and say, hey, I want to get in at 166, and it's bullish, it's going bullish. So once, you know, 166, and then it moves upwards. Let's say, you know what, you want to sell everything before the day ends. You know, you get up to the 170 and boom, you take your profits. So, you know, you go from 166 to 70. So that's about $4, but $4 times how many shares you have. Okay. So it depends on how big your portfolio is. But let's say you can make like a $10 gain per day and you have 10 shares, right? That's $100 gain a day. And then you continue to move upwards from there, depending on how much you have to invest. But you know, I'm not gonna tell you how to trade or anything like that. That's one way to day trade with this tool. Now this works very well on multiple assets, okay? So let's just say, you know, your friendly neighborhood Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin. So this is the hourly chart. You do the exact same thing with the signals, right? You do the exact same thing. Let's go to the 30-minute chart. So kind of break down a little bit. If you would have bought in here at 21,467 and sold at 21,699, you know, you're up a few $100s per trade, right? I recommend longer term time frames like an hour or a daily or weekly chart, but sometimes you can trade literally on the 15-minute chart. Okay, sometimes you can trade on the 15-minute chart. So let's say the 25th, you bought in at 21,318. You could have rode that wave all the way up to 21,762, make the difference per Bitcoin that you have. Okay. You can go look at something smaller. I like to trade Ethereum because Ethereum is much, when it comes to numbers, it's a much smaller number to look at. So let's just say you got in at, you know, August 24th, right, at 1654 and rode that wave up to 1705. You would have made pretty nice profits there as well. Okay. So you guys can use this tool as you wish. If you really zoom out though, on longer time frames, let's just say you went to the 4-hour. No, not the 4-hour. Let's go to the daily. Okay. Go to the daily on Ethereum. If you really zoom on, this is really what this software is made for. It's for longer term, not just trading, staring at the screen all day, but you know, when's the best position to get in and get out? So if you really zoom out on the daily, you know, we went bearish here. So we were going bearish, so we would have sold at 3,500 back in April. And then it stayed bearish the whole time until June, right? In June, we got a little bit more bullish. So it's time to buy back in. And we went up a little bit there, right? A couple $100. And then we went a little bit, you know, time to take some profits. And it's a little bit of figuring out right now of where the crypto's been a little bit brutal because we're in the bear market. So it's very unpredictable. But, you know, buying in at 1,023 in July And then now we're up to 2008. It was a good time to take profit. And right now we're at 16. You're still up, you know, almost $700 per Ethereum if you would have took advantage of this. So I like it. I like how it works. Now I want to show you guys something about the sensitivity levels and stuff like that. So let's say you go into your settings here. There's different modes, okay? So you can go to signal, confirmation, contrarian, both, etc. The different styles. And in the booklet, it literally explains, like the PDF, it explains what everything is specifically. And maybe I'll do a more detailed video for you guys in the future videos. But what I like to do is adjust the sensitivity. I actually zoom into the minute chart sometimes, 15-minute chart, for more of the day trading stuff. So I set my sensitivity at a lower number. But if you guys are focused more on the daily charts, the weekly charts, longer term stuff, then you want to set a little higher, maybe 20 or 23, 24 or something like that. But you can adjust and play with this, okay? I keep it super, super short so that I can trade on the minute, 5-minute, 15-minute to really see what's going on, okay? And then you can add all these different settings here, change color of your charts, etc. But it works really, really well, guys. I really enjoy it, and I've been enjoying it on mobile and desktop for the last year or so. So what I like about it is it's simple, not too crazy, right, and easy to use. And this is the website. So yeah, Lux Algo. That's what it literally looks like on mobile. Okay, they just updated the website. So the solution for turning confusion into clarity, and making a free TradingView account profile and sign up with us to get advanced charts on any market. Now with TradingView, you want to get, if you can, the free TradingView account works, but there's ads. I don't like ads, so you can get the premium TradingView. It's a couple dollars more, but it's definitely worth it, in my opinion. Okay. So you get different toolkits and tools for having Lux Algo, and you also get alerts on the Discord as well. So to definitely take advantage of that, you're gonna get notifications from their team and people in the Discord and the community and traders, and which would definitely help you with your odds. Okay. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Obviously, there's really good reviews on the product, used by over 35,000 traders, including myself, on the platform. And these are the prices. Now, here's a strategic tidbit for you guys: is you can get the monthly for $67, $70 a month. As you go up higher, the higher terms, you're gonna get more value. So you're gonna get 30% off if you do quarterly, 40% off if you do yearly, and just quite a bit off when you do lifetime. So lifetime is the best value if you're really gonna take this stuff serious. You like to look at charts, you like to look at stocks, you like to look at your portfolio, and you just want a nice tool that helps you with taking action. Then I would go with lifetime, but it's up to you. You can try. I've seen a lot of my subscribers going on the monthly to start off just to test it, but also a lot of people are getting the lifetime right now, because if you look at it, it says $1,500, pay 1,000, but you don't have to pay a subscription again. So now there's a trick to that. If you guys use my code, you get 20% off on top of this price. So you guys can save a little bit of money. I don't know if you guys, I could use a little bit extra right now, and every dollar counts, guys. So if you could save a little bit, I'm gonna include my link down below with the promo code, so you guys can save that extra 20% on top of the sale price. Okay, on any of these plans. All right. But yeah, I do like it personally, and yeah, the Discord's pretty happening, and I would definitely recommend this, and think it's, I would recommend for everyone, and I completely think it's worth it. Even if you have one successful trade, it pays off itself. You can make one successful trade, make a few $1,000s, and it pays for your lifetime subscription. You can enjoy the software on your own pace and your own time for as long as you want. Okay. I use FTX for some trading. I also have some stock portfolio trading accounts. But it works with everything because you're just using the chart and then you can trade on your own time. All right. I just want to give you guys a quick review, a little bit of insight on Lux Algo, how it works. Like I said, it's fantastic, and I like the product, and I stand behind the product. So if you guys want to take advantage of Lux Algo, I'll have the links down below. The most secure website where you can buy it, plus the promo code, so you can save some money. And until next time, I appreciate you guys watching my content. If you like content on trading, if you like content on NFTs, crypto, stocks, etc., making money online, this is your place. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and until next time, guys, stay bullish, and I'll see you guys in the next video.